is excellent. Black is pain, black is joy, black is evident. It's working twice as hard as the people you know you're better than, cause you need to do double what they do so you can level them. Black is so much deeper than just African American. Our heritage been savage and never got to experiment with family trees, cause they teach you about famine and greed and show you pictures of our fam on their knees. Tell us we used to be barbaric, we had actual queens. Black is watching child soldiers getting killed by other children, feeling sick like, oh shit, this could've happened to me. Your mommy watching, telling stories about your dad and your niece. And the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. A kid dies, the blacker the killer, the sweeter the news. And if he's white, you give him a chance, he's ill and confused. If he's black, he's probably on. You see him in shoes. Look, black is growing up around the barbershop. Mommy saying stay away from trouble, you're in yard a lot. Studying for ages, appreciating the chance you got, cause black is in your blood and you ain't even got the heart to stop. Black is stepping in for your mother because your father's gone, and standing by your children when you haven't proven karma wrong. Black is doing all of the above, then going corner shopping, trying to help a lady cross the road to have her walking up. Black is growing up around your family and making it, then being forced to leave the place you love because there's hate in it. People say you fake the shit, never stayed to change the shit, but black is being jealous, you'll be dead if you had stayed in it. Black is struggling to find your history or trace the shit. You don't know the truth about your race cause they're erasing it. Black has got a sour fucking flavor, here's a taste of it. But black is all I know, there ain't a thing that I would change in it. Look, black ain't just a single fucking color, man, there's shades to it. Her hair straight and thick, but mine's got waves in it. Black is not divisive, they've been lying and I hate the shit. Black has never been a competition, we don't make this shit. Black is deadly, black is when you're freezing in your home and you can't get sleep but never feeling empty, cause you got 20 cousins in your country living stress-free, walking for their water daughter wrapped inside a bedsheet. Black is distant, it's representing countries that never even existed while your grandmother was living. Black is my Ghanaian brother reading into scriptures, doing research on his lineage, finding out that he's Egyptian. Black is people naming your countries on what they trade most. Coast of Ivory, Gold Coast and the Grain Coast, but most importantly to show how deep all this pain goes. West Africa been in, they call it slave coast. Black is so confusing cause the culture, they're in love with it. They take our features when they want and have their fun with it. Never seem to help with all the things we know will come with it. Loud in our laughter, silent in our suffering. Black is being strong inside and facing defeat. Poverty made me a beast, I battled the law in the streets. We all struggle, but your struggle ain't a struggle like me. Well, how could it be when your people gave us the odds that we beat? I mean, fucking hell, what about our brothers that are stuck in jail that couldn't bust a bell? They held a burden, gotta live with it. Black is being guilty until proven that you're innocent. Black is saying free my fucking niggas stuck inside in prison cells. They think it's funny, we ain't got nothing to say to them. Unconditional love is strange to them, it's amazing. Black is like the sweetest fucking flavor. Here's a taste of it, but black is all I know, there ain't a thing that I would change in it.
Born on the curve, born on the curve, raised on the word, from men's to earth. I've been searching, still searching. Yeah. Once a man on your walk, son. Name long like a hymn, don't shorten. Teacher chopped off on the register. Said it too hard, said it too foreign. Granddad praying patois, deep tone. Incense, Bible on each stone. Say pick me, your skin is a passport. Your soul is the real postcode. Block smell, carry jerk, chip shop fat. Flags on the window, scarf on the cap. Fox on the bin, sirens at dawn. Still hear Zion in the bus route chat. I grew in the in-between split tongue chat. Safe bruv, then switch when the hymn song. Priest talk Kevin in a stained glass accent. I talk Kevin over train tracks, engines. Roots on the pavement. Hello in a high-rise flat, trying to find faith in a gray estate where check in the corner shop queue. Lady clutch purse like I might move too. I just came in for plantain and oat milk. Still got swallow that view. Cousin get stopped on the way from work. Fluorescent vest and I practice smirk. Ask him where you're from 4 times in a row, like it's proof of birth in a boot of the Merc. On the phone to my brethren, deep chat. He said, fam, I don't feel seen. That's mad. If I shave off locks for a job in the city, will my spirit still call me back? Scroll through trends, see skins like mine. Pinned as a problem, cropped in a crime. But in my yard, there's pepper pot steam. Gospel on Sunday, peace in my mind. Some days I'm Britain, tea and rain. Some days I'm island, sun and game. Most days both in my bones on the bus, trying to stitch 2 histories into one. Roots on the pavement, hello in a high-rise flat. Trying to find faith in a gray estate, where angels wear LV caps. I'm more than a checkbox, more than a tip, more than a headline, more than a stat. I'm all of my grandmother's unsaid prayers, walking these blocks trying to answer back. Who am I if I don't choose side? Maybe I'm both road, crossing at this line. Yeah. If the sky over Brixton look like Kingston at dusk, then maybe my home ain't a place it's us. Roots on the pavement, halo in a high-rise flat. Trying to find faith in a gray estate, where angels wear LV caps. I'm more than a checkbox, more than a tip, more than a headline, more than a stat. I'm all of my grandmother's unsaid prayers, walking these blocks trying to answer back. From men to work, from womb to earth, my blood, my birth. Still searching, still certain.
Hey, Santam from the VVX AJ. Man misty with a pen like JK. True say I ain't really a drinker, but I got love for brandy like Ray J. Champagne popper, 4-4 chop and a black night bomber. Heartbeat stopper, half heart MC drop a 4-5 whopper. Leave you in states like Kaka. AJ from the LLX Santan. Man's got style on the rhythm like Gangnam. 2 young brothers trying to eat off of music, but we used to eat off of pebbles and the sandbags. Now we get money, music, money that could put your girlfriend in a handbag. White tee, Balenciaga's man bag. Left winger with a long stick like a granddad. AJ Tizzy from T, HE Lizzie, and I'm all out for the Lizzie. I don't wanna look like you're broke, and I've been telling broke brothers move like Grizzy. Still brandy, but the hunting fizzy. Probs being bin if a man weren't busy. I'm a mic king, I'm a king on a mic, and I spin brothers till the whole scene gets dizzy. Walking a rave, smile on my face, drinking my cup, hand in my jeans. Man talk tough, man look up, down, left, right, straight to a bang in the teeth. Man still talk tough, man saw a man in the flesh. Now I'm trying to talk to my G's, now none of that, none. 4 or 5 drum, run you right out of your street. Walking and dance, chicks wanna glance, hand on my hip, shank for the dip. If I shout oi, then man I best skip. Better tie up your laces tight and don't trip. Trip get splashed, couldn't care less about my man's gang. We're not fam, we're not friends or brethrens. You'll get tanned and bin, cop, them, blam. Santander from the Vale and Tracy. Duck man down on the road, I'm pacey. 2 ladies on the phone so feisty. One named Jordan and one named Stacy. S with a S from the SR Shoki. Dust man down with a mask like Toby. Tell a boy Koch, my man's telling me lots, but we are not G's, so don't watch my face. A Ladbroke Grove is where I re-who. Man get burst up in a G-who. Came back with a fresh one, it's new. Don't come around for a 2 with a blue. I don't give a fuck if you're old or new. I'll just go in like Blackpool who. Put a couple dead MCs in the grave. And trust me dog, you can go there too. Trust me dog, you can go there free. I'll never watch F-A-C-E AJT from MTP. Night lab tracks with Nike ID. Man got overly fucked in a beef. Pretty sure I landed a bang to his teeth. Man will get banged in the face by me. Not my brethren banged in the face by me and me. Man talk tough, we'll see. Hitting with a left, right, left, right, left, right. Right one jab, then I duck, then weave. Come like Trevor from GTA. If I bang man's face, man bop, then lean. Couldn't I go roll, man drop the shoulder fame once. Quick kick, then I drop man's G. First time I link Hernando sweet. 9995, I swipe, then eat. I want to rap, she don't give hat. Tiago Silva, man block the skeet. Had man screaming, look, there's my man. Hand in my pouch like wait, it's not me. Hand in my pouch like where it's not us. Turn to my G like where it's not we. So if you get boom with a 4 or 5 long, it's a critical hit, no chance to repeat. And then if you see Arj in a cup with a dip, you're pissed so quick your team should retreat. But if you see Just in a cup with his right hand tucked, you're fucked, your team should leave G. If you see Raps in the back with his hand in the bag, it's mad we came to see peace. Walk in a rave, smile on my face, drink in my cup, hand in my jeans, man talk tough, man look up, down, left, straight to a bang in the teeth, man still talk tough, man soul man in the flesh, now man tryna talk to my G's, nah, none of that none, 4 or 5 drum, run you right out your street. Walk in the dance, chicks wanna glance, hand on my hip, shank for the dip, if I shout oi them man I best skip, better tie up your laces, tie don't trip, trip get splashed, couldn't care less about my man's gang, we're not fam, we're not friends or brethren, you'll get tanned and binned, cock them, blam, blam, blam. Look, they say the universe, it works in a strange way. And it must be true because we ain't from the same background or same place. But me and Lesley ended up on that same train. I'm talking every day. I used to wake up around 7 or 8 to catch the 906 to Norbury Station. 2 different worlds in the same location. One day we ended up speaking, and I would talk about college, she would talk about meetings. And now she's planning on leaving. Now she hates what she does, but she needs it. I asked her what she would do when it's the weekend, but she said, I don't know myself. I don't know myself no more. She used to be the life of the party for true, but now she going out hardly ever. Her man got her in the yard forever, and her friends wanna help, but it's hard to tell her heart to let her know that her man's possessive and aggressive and she can't even see it. But for them it's clear as day she's in a situation. Her friend Hannah had a man that was manipulative, so she can see it from a mile off. Turtleneck jumpers, makeup around the eye spots, all the signs were there, but Lesley made it seem a light affair. Said it wasn't right to share a boyfriend, he was a mystery man. I didn't know much about him, but he's been in a can. Name's Jason, he's a bad boy with no reasoning. To be honest, I don't know what let's season him, cause she's a good girl with a sweetheart, but they both got demons in the deep past. You know opposites attract apparently. Never heard her talk about her family ever. He was all that she had until they had an argument, and he stopped calling her back. And I don't know if there was more to the story than that, cause she plays things down, but according to that, he went missing one day. In the morning he ran, she's doing overtime, struggling affording a flat till she lost her job. It fucked all of her plans, couldn't pay the rent, borrowing and calling for cash. But Hannah, she was there for her, cared for her. When I saw Les, she told me, I don't know myself, I don't know myself, I don't know myself no more. Yeah, they say I got nothing to live for. It's been raw, but David, I ain't never been this poor. There's no income, my boyfriend left me, so how the fuck am I gonna survive when this kid's born? And I said, it's a blessing as mad as it is, unless I never even knew that you were having a kid, bro. She's 4 months pregnant, young and neglected, single, but I don't think she wants to accept it. So she's still texting exes, trying to get this back on track, but I don't think that she gets it. It's emotional obsession, clinical depression. Life is a lesson and you ain't gotta sit and cry, cause Lesley, living in this gift called life, there's no better gift than the gift of life. So can you handle it? I don't know myself, I don't know myself no more. But that changed her perspective. Late in December, her baby's expected to drop. She's accepted, excited, electric pumps. Only got to wait a few months, her and Hannah had lunch. Told her she's pregnant, and they're the closest of brethren, so she didn't stop to tell her, I think that's just an error. You ain't a mom for a day, you're a mom forever. What, and you and Jason break up whenever. If I'm honest, it's something you should've done together. She doesn't know that her and Jason going out again, and Jason doesn't know that Leslie's carrying a child for them. She had daydreams of settling down with Jason better, cause now they're together is wild, feeling like she needs to call her friends and tell them, cause while she's letting them down, but most of them are never around. She goes Hannah the next day, still trying to figure out her best way to tell her that she getting back together with her ex-flame. So she left her a voicemail like, yo, Hannah, it's Les, can you call me back? I wanna talk about the baby, you, me, Jason, all of that. I've been feeling like I need to get my aura back. I used to be so fucking confident, but these days I swear that I don't know myself no more. It's 3:30. Lesley was meant to get a scan, but today I think she's going home early. Trying to talk to Jason, tell him about the kid addressing any reservations. Had that conversation middle of the summer and it's raining, waiting at a train station. Hella cancellation, so she gets a taxi sitting in the backseat. Blue jean jacket and a maxi. Actually tired and her legs are raking. Touched the destination way faster than the cab driver's estimation. She put a key in the door, she couldn't believe what she see on the floor. Some size 5 trainers, raging, tears in her eyes, but it's cool cause they must be the neighbors. And Jason's in the bedroom, fully naked. Leslie's running up the stairs, but she's making noise, and she can hear Jason's voice saying, hide in the closet, but he's made his choice. So she bursts in, saying, what kind of person would cheat on his pregnant girlfriend? Jason saying, what the fuck? You're pregnant. What the fuck? You ain't even gonna tell me. I mean, what the fuck? Yeah, I sometimes wonder. Yeah. Yeah, I sometimes wonder, what would I do with the next generation? In 1940, if I was enlisted to fight for the nation. Or in 1960, if I had to fight for the rights of my people. And lay down my life on the line so my grandkids could live a life that's peaceful. Would I be on that? Would I be front line? That's what I'm thinking. If I was alive in the 1912 on the Titanic and it was sinking, who am I saving? Am I fighting women and children, or am I weighing? I wonder, yeah. What would I do in the next generation? Yeah. Yeah, like I love Karbala. If they capture me for the sake of my father, would I stand on my honor like Hussein did and tell them to make me a martyr? Would I read, get smarter, forgive my oppressor, stick to the creed? If I got locked inside like Nelson Mandela but never was freed, I see a white man dance to rumba and study Patrice Lumumba. They're on the stage and sing like songba, la ya 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 ya, songba. Fuck it, I wonder. What would I do in the next generation? Would I fight for justice? Is it the reason my mom laid me there? How can you be king? How can you be king? Don't speak for the people. The man try draw me out and compare like me and these niggas are equal. I'm a black man in this bozo saying my music socially conscious, while the man them trolling responses. This world's been totally bonkers. I sometimes wonder, what would I do in the next generation? Yeah, but I'm knowing the answer, cause what am I doing in this generation? Afraid to speak, I don't wanna risk in my occupation. We got kids under occupation. Our parents, they wouldn't get that. The people that died for our freedom spoke on justice, couldn't accept that. I talk about the money in all my accounts, so why don't I speak on the West Bank? Remember growing up, prejudice, the damage 7-7 did, extremists and terrorists. I was afraid of the Taliban. Can't speak out on illegal settlers now. I'm afraid of a shadow ban. Whoa, what would I do in the next generation? I get in my head sometimes. I feel like I'm in despair, that feeling of total powerlessness. I get that sinking feeling. That good ain't defeating evil. I put that pain on vinyl, but feel like that shit ain't moving the needle. Retweeting people, raising awareness. In all fairness, ain't gonna bring Chris back to his parents, but there's no other option. It's a process, gotta stand and protest. Cause they want man silence, cause they want man dead, or they want man hopeless. In the next generation, I spoke with my ancestors in the night, and I showed them. They spoke with tears in their eyes for the brothers they lost, and said it was progress. How can it be progress? I asked them, confused, disgusted. They said, David, just so you can fight this. You know how much suffering touched us, and you got a chance. We come from a time and a place where you couldn't get justice. Had to find peace in the fact that we all answer to the one what we trust in. And in our generation, we did do peaceful protests, just like you. Burn buildings, just like you did. Boycotts, just like you. Sat in a hostile powerless, did feel powerless, just like you. And I know that it may sound strange, but we made some change, and we're just like you. I know that you question your character, I know that you suffer in silence. I know that it don't feel right when you go to the club in Victoria Island. But how can you dance in the club? There's 100 people begging outside it. I know the sins of your father, I know that you're desperate to fight down. So step in your purpose, speak for your people, share all your secrets, expose your emotions you might not see when there's people that need it. Never demand it, and if God can grant it, manifest it and receive it. Your name is David, and that covenant's sacred. You got a promise, so keep it, deep it. Them man talk on the thing, but I bleed it. Man wanna speak on the scene, but I seen it. Tried in the fire by gets, I'm anointed. Can't no pass me the torch, I received it. God told me I'm the one, I believed it. Shout hollow man, cause he helped me achieve it. I'm the youngest of my brothers. Father, ease the burden on our mothers. Give these niggas money, see their colors, don't mix me with them. I'm not the one grinding, miss the summer. When it comes, I'm Abraham, I sacrifice the son. Where I'm from, they sacrifice their son. Hold up, I ain't finished, I ain't done. My ancestors told me that my life is prophecy. And it's not just me, it's a whole generation of people gradually making change. There ain't a greater task, shift that, make a name, make a star. They don't know what they're facing when they ask for the will of David in my heart. The story of the boy who played the harp. The story of the boy who played the harp. Know that it may sound strange. I know that you question your character, I know that you question your character, I know that you suffer in silence. Know that you question your character. Whoa, I know that you question your character, I know that you suffer in silence. I know that it gon' feel right when you go to the club in Victoria Islands. Hey, cause how can you dance in the club? There's 100 people begging outside it. I know the sins of your father, I know that you're desperate to fight them. So step in your purpose, speak for your people, share all your secrets. Expose your emotions, you might not see, but there's people that need it. Never demand it, and if God can grant it, manifest it and receive it. Your name is David, and that covenant sacred. You got a promise, so keep it, deep it. That man talk on the thing, but I bleed it. Man wanna speak on the scene, but I seen it. Tried in the fire, but I get some anointed. Kind of passed me the torch, I received it. God told me I'm the one, I believed it. Shout hollow man, cause he helped me achieve it. I'm the youngest of my brothers. Father, ease the burden on our mothers. Give these niggas money, see their colors, don't mix me with them. I'm not the one grinding, miss the summer. When it comes, I'm Abraham, I sacrifice the son. Where I'm from, they sacrifice.
Born in the middle. Not from here, not from there, still here. Man said, child, you're a promise. Mom said, work twice as hard, they're watching. Dad said nothing, just keys on the ring. Late bus home, oil on his sleeve. I learned please before I learned peace. Learned sorry officer before sovereignty. Skin like a history book, I never got to choose. Every page stamped approve on the corner. Man them talking cold. Queens in the mosque wrap hope in gold. Teacher said, you're bright but bold. I heard stay small while my soul grow old. Lunch in the stairwell, one headphone. UK slang in my marrow. Still feel foreign at my own postcode. Every road sign asks what I owe. Who am I in the land that raised me? Face like dad's but the tongue sounds mainstream. Passport blue but my prayers in patois. Roots in the screwface, fruit in the asphalt. Who am I when the mirror looks different? Every side eye turn me to a witness. I'm the hymn in the end's not the anthem. Still I walk like my name in mansion. Yeah. Uncle say them no love you, but I've seen grace in the pale boy's boots. He shared chips on a late night route. Said bruv they hate me for my postcode too. Politics on a pirate station. Call a cry government tech we nation. I'm just trying to take back patience. Scroll past pain like a PlayStation. Interview Sue with a second-hand crease. Smiled so wide my jaw felt weak. Lady at reception, finger on the buzzer. Looked at my name, asked where your mother from her. Like my CV, need a family tree. Like my dream, need a stamp then leave. I laughed it off, but it cut so clean. Deep down thinking, is my soul too deep? Who am I in the land that raised me? Face like that, but the tongue sound mainstream. Passport blue, but my prayers in patois. Roots in the screwface, fruits in the asphalt. Who am I when the mirror looks different? Every side eye turn me to a witness. I'm the hymn in the end's not the anthem. Still I walk like my name in mansion. I am my nan's last song, my mom's long fast, my dad's crack palm. I am the rain on a Brixton march, I'm the East Bus Pass and the West End Scar. I am the ink that my granddad lost when they wrote our worth in a foreign gloss. I am the blessed and the brother I am stressed. I'm the holy mess in the high-vis vest. Yeah. Who am I in the land that raised me? Face like that, but the tongue sounds mainstream. Passport blue, but my prayers in patois. Roots in the screwface, fruits in the asphalt. Who am I when the mirror looks different? Every side eye turn me to a witness. I'm the hymn in the end's not the anthem. Still I walk like my name in mansion. Still I walk like my name in mansion. In the screw face, heart in the mansion.
Yeah. Tweaking, 120 on the M-way speeding, LV hat, backpack and sneakers. Any girl that I'm with is a Ben, 9, gate, decking decent. Now I'm in a party with the sweetest chocolate brown and Reese's Pieces. I'm tweaking. 120 on the M-way speeding, LV hat, backpack and sneakers. Any girl that I'm with is a 10, 9, 8, wedge and decent. Now I'm in a party with the sweetest chocolate brown and Reese's Pieces.
My brother got a new wristwatch, but don't watch that, cause you could get nauseous, could get seasick. I mean, all of my ex-girls hating, but how you gonna have my baby? No, you know I'm living out baby boy lifestyle, everything crazy. If you don't chat to your guy, you're juicy. I ain't talking Mercedes, nah. Let's talk about our drama. I got a pink browning in my zone, and I'm in the zone to you like karma. Man, pull up, hop out, pull over, easy as palaver, cool, say nada. Now I'm in a party with Tara, and that girl got body like armor. Football in Balenciagas, walk it ball in my all black Pradas. No acting, never went RADA. I'm a top boy like Sully, but darker. What's the drama? Painting still get air left on red and blue like Barca. If it ain't about face, don't down me. If it ain't about face, won't answer. I got a grounding living inside of them. Professor X, cause true said the back ain't there, but the brain is brilliant. And my new team came with kids, and that's okay, cause I'm still dicking it. Little men wanna jump on FIFA, so I'm close to the sun like Icarus. Whitewash man, then I'm back in the room with his march and a white horse, that for the thrill of it. No Blair back man, got a Jimmy it, backside jiggling, shaking, rippling, and a neck just tickling. Tryna hide my face, cause I can't stop giggling. Them man who hickory dickory, watch glistening, but the rollie ticking. It's such a shame. Tweaking. 120 on the M, we speeding. LV hot backpack, it's sneakers. Any girl that I'm with is a man around that was snitches. And not around no more. And not around no more. And who do you think that's because of? Was it us that got a man moving? Don't be stupid, no bumper, what they bomber, new number. Hit her back like, who's this? Cucumber in her belly like a boomstick. R8 with a Lamborghini. Them man there don't pan to see me, cause my niggas on grease like Santorini. I got a brown skin girl from Bush that will take that charge on her chest if I say so. Both hands on a wig while I hit from the back, got me pulling on the tracks and cane rolls. We ain't ever had Halo, just Henny and Jenny from the block, no J-Lo. This year here's gonna be a mad one. I need a good girl, I need a bad one. I need a brand new vest and a handgun. Them man need that more than a man does. Them man need cash more than a man does. Them man been crashed more than a man. Look, you don't wanna end up in my bad books. No good look, give a man a bad look. Tweaking. 120 on the M, we stealing. LD hat and sleeveless. Any girl that I'm with is a 10, 9, 8. Bedroom decent, I'm look party. Body sweetest, drop look brown and Reese's pieces. Hey, what about you anyway? What about your love life? It's a good question, man. Wouldn't mind having a bit of fun if I'm being honest.
What do you think people see when they look at you? Look, you see our gold chains and our flashy cars. I see a lack of self-worth and I see battle scars. He has to be with 20 man when he wears jewelry. And you see it as gangster, I see it as insecurity. Where I'm from, everybody wants to make it out, but nobody wants to see somebody make it out. It ain't about who came around, but more about who stayed around. Behind the scenes, they said God gave us eyes to see. You see the video vixens and all their pearly whites, but you don't see the dirty nights, long days and early flights. You see the deals and think, who these rappers laughing now? But you don't get that if we weren't already, we're a target now. You see all the groupie girls and think they're heaven sent. I see 25 minutes worth of empty sex. To tell a lie, it wasn't my intention to objectify, but I can testify, I've seen some shit you couldn't rectify. You see this industry where everybody came up. I see a bag of weird rappers and some fake love, fake handshakes and fake spuds with fake comments, where everybody covers costs but never pays homage. The scene turn on me, people trying to ruin me. When most see a problem, I'm seeing an opportunity to drop a freestyle and kill them niggas that were booing me. I made my haters watch and put the screw inside of scrutiny beautifully. Also, if I am attending, security's coming first, like I was trying to shop at duty free. Where the fuck's the unity? Where I come from, there's no class, forget truancy. We have got now in common. Them niggas see a molehill and make a mountain from it. They see a Cuban and a whip, I see a house deposit, how to stop it. Niggas saw keys and went to trial for shotting. I saw keys, learned to play and made thousands from it. You see the club popping when we do the show, but you don't see the studio. My life is not a movie, bro. Champagne bottles and all the screaming girls. It's ironic how you'll never hear a scream for help. Depression when you make it, the pressure and the hatred. The people talk about you, you can't say shit the moment that you ain't it. The labels are looking for replacements, same shit. People start forgetting what you've done for them. Everyone in music's gonna take until there's nothing left. Your fans are switching up on you and they don't know how tough it gets. Reading through your old comments, trying to feel some love again. I see karma, go to work, but God's scheme's harder. I heard success can come quickly, but it leaves faster. Secrets are what my enemies have been after. Only yells I'm hiding in my closet have a V after.
You might also like Fairchild, Dave, Stratum, Dave, Heart Attack, Dave, Dave. Heart Attack, Dave. So, looking at it from another perspective, playing devil's advocate, considering you're obviously becoming famous, so to speak, but you still deal with a lot of issues on a human level. Do you ever just sit and wonder about the stories behind the people you meet day by day? Does it make you feel grateful, in a weird way, for your life and problem?
And then the finer details is your Juliet. What's the down in the tears situation between the two leads? I guess we're all just like looking for a happy ending somewhere.
Hey, it's okay. I don't care if no one knows my name. Pain is all the same, even if you think it's all in vain. Cause I am turning her into rose, into rose, into rose. Oh, oh, into rose, into rose, into rose. How could we let it slide? Back at our lives, the future's just a lie. We'll be there, you and I, on both sides of a smile. Yeah. You keep the bread all to yourself and you get more from it. You give a good girl a rose and you get gold from it. Have a child with a rat and you'll get a mouse from it. You give a woman a brick and you'll get a house from it. The first time splitting up always the hardest thing. Loves a film and I'm just flicking through the parts I'm in. I told her I don't wanna argue in this car I'm in. And that's when she hit me with a, well, I don't get why you would tell me you want me to be your wifey when you wanna be Romeo. Have me in for the rodeo. I don't believe you when you gas me up and hype me, cause you're lusting in these women. You fucking look nothing like me, David. You find asylum in the countries that you fly me and carry all of your guilt in designer's bags that you buy me, David. I ain't asking you to be someone you wasn't. I just wanna fuck with the person I fell in love with, but petite waist, sweet face, I'll find another man. You must have forgotten who the fuck I am. There's plenty niggas waiting for chances. Ask me if I'm taking, I say take them for granted. But you know this already, cause we've spoken already. Want me to wait cause you ain't ready. Now we're both in our 20s. I date a man before I wait for a man, it ends here. Cause I'll be damned if I give a fucking loser my best years. Got my own car, own money, and my own body. If I show body, this for me, this ain't for nobody. I'ma change the lock on the door, think I'm a homebody. You won't have a house to fucking live in, cause you taught me you don't listen. There's a difference in mistakes and indecisions, David. The first time was the worst time. It didn't hurt like the second or the third time. She put her life on pause, cause I am turning her into rose, into rose, into rose. Oh, oh, into rose, into rose, into rose. How could we let it slide? Looking back at our lives, the future's just a lie. We'll be there, you and I, on both sides of a smile. Yeah. I just came to the area I grew up in. They can't even see the car, but from the engine they know it's me. From no fix to boat to the coast of Greece, I'm most at home in the places I ain't supposed to be. I grew up seeing mommy count pennies, trying to buy a train ticket but forget saying woe is me. Now in LA with the open sea, they both feel like things I was supposed to see. Used to be my post, we was close, now we argue to the rhythm of a broken beat. To the beat of a broken Napoleon Bonaparte meets Joan of Arc. We're both fighting to see this is Noah's Ark. We're lovers with a broken past, grow apart. Most things that last have the slowest start. A lot of pain and a lot of tears. The only reason that I lie is cause of what I fear. My girl knows that I'm a fan of charity, but there's some information I ain't never gonna volunteer. I wish that I could pay for my sins with a lump sum, restore belief in me with a trust fund. The money can't buy nothing when the love's done. I used to cheat with Americans for a living. I felt nervous every time I got a call from a +1. It takes years to build when you love one. 2.5 minutes and it's undone. Put my girl a Birkin, and she told me that these bitches can't chat to her. I'm telling her that they never could. You know you love her when you're doing shit you never would. Come up off the drugs and bank scams. How the fuck you think I got the name Santan? Run up on me and get a skin tan. Only when you're gone they feel your impact. 19, I had dreams of a wedding ring. So focused on running our race. You can ask James Blake, I ain't see the color in anything. And then the world got darker than it's ever been. Real estate, I bust a smile. That's a national, that's how I'm coming now. Mortgage on the yard like 2200, but the rent's got covered by a country mile. Feels like my luck's been running out. It feels like my luck's been running out. Feels like my luck's been running out. It feels like my luck's been running out.
Mom said, son, you sound tired in your eyes. I said, I'm fine. Lied twice. Change the subject. Change my life. Council flat kitchen. Steam on the gloves. Rice rinsing. Bills on the fridge like a warning sign. All stuck up like the way I help feelings. Cold tap running. Dad's name running through the room, but he's absent. Whole bloodline in a one-head mansion. Palace of plaster, cracks and damp patches. Alarm class from the gap in our front door parkley. Wind whistling through that draft. Felt like the country laughing. Who do I run to when the world's on my back and my past won't move? Street say I'm us, screen says I'm there. Mirror can't choose. Who do I run to when the flag on my porch never flew for my roots? Born in the place that I still call home. I asked, do they call me too?
You know that thing where they ask where you from? London ain't quite enough, so you say it twice, but they drill down tough like where you really from though, bruv? I'm from bumps fruits that just vanish at night. From mums and heads gone high vis, high pride. From boys to school tight, tying up sides.
Yeah, GCSEs in the breathing this day. I learned history from a teacher that mispronounced every name. Then told me empire wasn't that deep, while my granddad coughed in the waiting room seat. Paid his taxes, paid his sweat. They took his breath, then claimed his bet. If I sound angry, I'm trying to sound alive. All this polite pain packaged inside. Who do I run to when the world's on my back and my past won't move? Streets say I'm us, screen says I'm them. Mirror can't choose. Who do I run to when the flag on my porch never flew for my roots? Born in the place that I still call home, but I ask, do they call me?
I've been splitting half in the silent crowd. Too rich there, too for it here. Too loud, held my tongue till my teeth felt proud. Now I let every truth fall out.
If I raise my voice, is that
cry, more culture. If I pray in my tongue, is that fret more comfort? If I love this land, will it love me back? Or keep my heart in a plastic bag? Yeah. Who do I run to when the world's on my back and my paws won't move? Streets say I'm us, screen says I'm them. Mirror can't choose. Never flew from my roots. Born in the place that I still call home, but I ask to their born in the place that I still call, so I'll ask till it answers. Who do I run? Who do I run? Who do I run? Mom said, son, you sound tired in your eyes. Mom said, son, you sound tired in your eyes. Yeah, yeah. Mom said, son, you son, you son, you son. Mom said, son, you sound tired in your eyes. Son, you sound tired in your eyes. Who do I run to? Mom said, son, you sound tired in your eyes. Oh. Mom said, son said, mom said, mom said, son, you sound, you, who said, son.